Hi, this is Prudence from Beauty by Earth, and I wanted to talk to you today about hair washing and how often you should wash your hair and why. Years ago, I transitioned from washing every day in my teens to now washing once a week, and I've washed once a week for years at this point. And what I would say is that when you wash your hair daily, you're stripping your hair of all of the natural oils that your scalp produces in order to keep your hair healthy. And your hair ends up brittle, dry, and split. Then you have to keep cutting and you can't grow your hair out because every time you cut off your dead ends, your hair is getting shorter and you don't give your hair enough time to actually grow out. So the other benefit of not washing it daily, in addition to letting the oils come down to the ends of your hair and your hair not being so dry, is the fact that you don't have to heat style your hair as often, which again means less breakage, less damage, and all of that. So a few little tips that I'd give you in order to stretch your hair washing. If you're washing it every day or every other day, you want to transition to washing it at the most every other day. And how you do that is you start adding time in between each wash. Now, if your hair tends to be really greasy or oily, you can always use a dry shampoo and, get some help that way with absorbing some of the oils. I use a powder like this, a dry shampoo powder, and all you do is take a small amount of powder, put it directly on your hairbrush or into your hair, and or you could use a makeup brush and just get it into your roots like this. It also helps to give you a little bit more volume. But you just get this into your scalp and it helps to absorb some oil. So that's a more immediate solution while your hair is transitioning and your scalp is learning how much oil to really produce. And as you start stretching the time in between your washes, you'll find that your scalp actually is producing less oils in the first place, which is great. When you're washing your hair every day, you're telling your scalp, hey, I'm dry, produce more oils, and then you end up with super oily hair. The other tip I would give you is a boar bristle brush. It can be mixed bristles like this one. This one has plastic bristles for detangling as well as boar hair. The benefit of boar hair is that it helps to carry the oils from your scalp, where your hair produces the oils, down to the ends of your hair. You want the ends of your hair to get moisture. So that's why when you condition, you tend to put your thicker conditioners on the ends of your hair. If you use a hair oil, you want to put those mostly on the ends of your hair so you don't get greasy looking. And the other tip I would give you is when you are brushing with a boar brush, flip your hair over and go from the nape of your neck and work your way down. Your hair, your scalp produces a lot of oils down by the back of your neck here, and you want to take those and get those down to the ends of your hair. So flip your hair over when it's dry every day and brush to get those oils down to the ends of your hair. Not only is it great for your hair so that you have less breakage and less damage, but it also makes your hair look super shiny, and you'll see just how much healthier your hair will be.